If your third-generation Honda CR-V is refusing to start, don't panic. The fix is often simpler than you think. Statistics show that almost half of all no-start calls for this model year are caused by simple battery failure or poor connections. Before you call a tow truck, let's go through the diagnostic checklist to pinpoint the exact problem. Always start with the basics like battery terminals and your gear selector before moving on to complex components. The starter, motor, and ignition switch are the most frequent mechanical failures found in the 2007 to 2011 range. If you hear a rapid-fire clicking sound, your battery is likely too weak to engage the starter solenoid. Simple electrical issues are easy DIY tasks, but a buried starter motor might require a professional hand. Repair costs vary wildly, from a $100 battery to over $500 for a fuel pump replacement. If you're stranded, tapping the starter motor while turning the key can sometimes get the engine to fire one last time. Keep a basic tool kit in your CR-V, including a 10mm wrench and a simple multimeter. Remember to always prioritize safety by using jack stands and disconnecting power before performing any mechanical work. With these steps, you should have your CR-V back on the road in no time. Thanks for watching.